As Nigeria's consumer price index has been projected to hit 16.1% this year.
How can we hedge, invest, or protect ourselves against the inflation ravaging Africa, Nigeria to be precise? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 best apps you can use to invest in local and foreign assets in order to hedge yourself and make money off inflation. My name is Mike Erumaka, and right here on my YouTube channel, I make videos around business, personal finance, and tech. And if this interests you, please don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button so that this video can be recommended to more people. And without much talk, let's dive right into today's video. Let's go. The first app you can use to fight against inflation is called Comx. Comx is a commodity trading exchange developed by Afex, which is the first ever licensed commodity exchange in Nigeria, and it was established in the year 2014. Back in 2021, they raised over $50 million in order to finance agricultural SMEs in Nigeria. Commodity exchange platforms are basically applications that you can use for commodity trading. If you don't know what commodity trading means, it's basically the act of investing in commodities like cashew nuts. In Nigeria, we face inflation where the prices of commodities basically go up and down. You can basically invest in a commodity like cashew nuts, and when the price go higher, you make a profit, and when it goes low, you make a loss. So that's basically just trading, and that's what you can use Comx for and hedge yourself against inflation. For you to get started with Comx, you can basically use my link in the description or in the comment section. Click on that link for Comx, and it's going to automatically take you to the Google Play Store to basically download Comx app. But if you like the long process, you can basically go to the Google Play Store as well, search for Comx. The X has a red and black color design on it. So download the Comx app and then you sign in or you sign up on the platform. After signing up on the app, the next step is to do your KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. Once you have done your KYC, the next step you need to take is to fund your Comx account. And you see here, once you have signed up, you see the home button, you see the market portfolio reports. Now on this home button, this is where you can actually fund your account. You see this place that says fund wallet. You can basically use that place to fund your wallet. You can either fund your wallet using a bank transfer or a debit card. Now, this is just an overview. I'm going to do an in-depth video about Comx, so I encourage you to smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so when I make an in-depth video around Comx, you get notified and you get to watch it and know how to basically use this app properly. But still doing an overview of the app, you now come over, you see this place that says portfolio. This is where you can get to see what investments you have and what is in your portfolio. You see, I have nothing on my portfolio. I'm basically yet to start making use of this app properly in investing. I just discovered this app newly. Now you also have in your home, you have your open orders. Your open orders are basically the trades you have actually placed that are yet to execute. They are still open orders. You can use that to basically see your open orders. Now coming over to the market, this is where you get to see your order book, the trades you placed that are yet to execute in your order book. So you find all your pending and partially matched trades here. You now have your product. This is where you can get to buy and sell commodities. You can see here the different commodities they have here. They have Afex fertilizer, they have fair trade etc. It has gone up by over 13%. They have sport cashew nut. I talked about cashew nuts earlier. They have cocoa, they have paddy rice. So these are different commodities I can get to invest in using Comx. So there's nothing much complicated about the Comx app. Basically, why I like this app is that it's very, very easy to understand, and you can actually make use of a demo. You can see this place that says live 00 balance. When you click on this live, you switch it off, you now have a demo, and they credit you with over 1 million naira. You can start using to invest, making use of demo. Probably when you now understand the app properly, you can now start funding your account and now start talking about trading. One thing you should note is that this is an app that is used for investment. As much as you can make profit, you can actually make losses. So you need to make use of your head, do proper research before investing in any commodity of your choice. Next up on this list is called Wbroker. Wbroker is an application that you can use to invest in the Chinese, the Hong Kong, and the US stock market. And apart from investing in the stock market, you can as well use Wbroker to invest in the crypto market. Wbroker is owned by Wealth Guardian Investment Limited, which is based out of Hong Kong, and they have been able to partner with AEX, which is one of the biggest crypto exchange we have in Asia. How do we get started with Wbroker? To get started with Wbroker, all you need to do is go to wbroker.com. On their website, you see a black button that says download. Click on that button to download the APK file. I have not downloaded this file on an iPhone, so I don't think it's going to work. If you're able to actually download it on an iPhone, please leave a comment telling me you downloaded it on an iPhone, I really appreciate the feedback. So once you have downloaded this on your Android device, you need to now install that APK file. After installing the APK file, you either sign in or sign up. I guess majority of you guys don't have an account, so you need to click on the sign up button, put in your email address, put in your password, and then go to that place that says referral code. Use my referral code in any place that says referral code. It's totally free of charge. It's just a way for you to say thank you to me, and I'm going to earn a commission. They're not charging you any money. So use my referral code, and once you have signed up, you now need to do your KYC. This might involve you opening and closing your mouth like this, because they have an AI which they're going to use for your facial recognition. So get ready to open your mouth again like this. So once you have done your KYC, submitted your BVN or international passport or driver's license, then you will now be able to be onboarded full-time on the Wbroker app. The next step you now need to take is to fund your account. I'm going to be making a dedicated video on how to make use of Wbroker. This is going to be in-depth, so I encourage you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when that particular video is ready. It's going to be ready in the next few days. Doing a surface overview on Wbroker, once you have signed up on the application and been onboarded full-time, on the home page, once you onboard yourself, is the watch list. This is basically where you have the companies you're looking at, their stocks. Here on my own, I have Tesla Inc., which is based in the United States, and I have another company called Hang Seng, which is based in Hong Kong. This is a Hong Kong based company. I have it on my watch list. Then this place, you see this search icon. When you click on it, you have different countries that you can invest in. You have the Hong Kong stock market, you have the US stock market, I have the Chinese stock market. You can choose any of them of your choice, and you get to see different companies that are in that particular stock or in that particular country. And you have this place that says trending list. These are list of companies that their stocks are trending on Wbroker. And then if you scroll down, you can now see news. News is very, very important when it comes to investing in the stock market, so you get to read the news and know what's happening in the market. Then this place that looks like a wallet, or I don't know if it's a book, that particular icon, when you click on it, this is where you see IPOs. This is a little bit much more advanced. When I'm doing an in-depth overview on Wbroker, I'll go in-depth into IPOs. You can actually do a Google research on this, but nothing much to talk about that here in this particular video. This place that has a Bitcoin-like icon, this is where you have your cryptocurrencies, and you have this USDT annual APY savings of 10%. So there is this unique feature that Wbroker have for us Nigerians who love to save in the US dollars because of the inflation. You can get to save in USDT here and get a 10% annual interest rate on your USDT savings on Wbroker. And then this place that has a human-like icon, when you click on it, this is where you can get to deposit money into Wbroker and get to withdraw your crypto, your money from Wbroker. So basically, when it comes to funding your Wbroker account, you can only fund your Wbroker account using USDT. You cannot fund it using your normal Nigerian bank account. When I'm doing a in-depth overview, I'll show you how to fund your account. So basically, this app can work for anyone based in Africa. No matter your country, you can make use of Wbroker to start investing in foreign stock market. One thing I love Wbroker for is their 10% APY, which I talked about a little bit earlier on. For us in Africa or in Nigeria who face problems with inflation, most of us, you go ahead and opening a DOM account and get to save our money in dollars. Now you can actually save that dollars using Wbroker, but this time around you need to convert it to USDT, and then you save on Wbroker and you get a 10% annual interest yield. I know you're basically going to thank me for introducing Wbroker to you. The third app you can use to fight against inflation is called Trove. Trove is an application you can use to invest in the US, Chinese and Nigerian stocks, as well as the bond and ETF market with as low as 1,000 naira. Yes, Trove was founded by Oluwatomi Solanke in the year 2018 and has gone on to be one of the biggest global investment platforms in Africa. For you to get started with Trove, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, search for Trove Finance app. Any application you see there that has a white background with a T icon in the middle is the Trove Finance app. Usually they have around 4-point-something rating and above 50,000 downloads. So that's the ideal app you should be looking for. Once you have downloaded the application, the next step is to either sign in or sign up. Most of you guys don't have an account, so you have to sign up with your email address and a password. After you have signed up, the next step is now to do your KYC, which involves you submitting some documents like your BVN, your international passport, your driver's license, whichever works for you. Submit it, and then once your KYC has been completed, you can now start trading using Trove Finance. Binance is another application that you can use to fight or hedge against inflation. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that was founded by Champeng Hao. aka CZ, in the year 2017. With Binance, you can actually invest in the crypto market and make money or lose money. To get started, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store, search for Binance and download it. If you love shortcuts, you can use my link in the comment section or description to download the Binance app. After downloading the Binance app, the next step is to sign in or sign up. I guess you don't have an account, so you have to sign up. You need to make use of your email address. After putting your email address, you need to put in your password. Always make sure you're making use of a very strong password. After signing up, the next step involves you doing your KYC, which is know your customer. You need to either submit your BVN, your national identity number, your driver's license or international passport. I will encourage you to make use of your BVN for it to be faster and get approved in less than 1 day or after a day. Once you have done your KYC, you can now start talking about funding your Binance account and trading. I will encourage you to forget about the futures aspect of Binance and focus mainly on the sports trading aspect of Binance, since you're still a beginner when it comes to investing in the crypto market. The fifth app you can use to fight against inflation is called Bamboo. Bamboo is an application you can use to invest in the US stock market and ETF from Nigeria and make profit. It is run by Richmond Bassi and was founded in the year 2020. I have made an in-depth video on how to make use of Bamboo. You can click on the card above to watch that particular video. Or basically, the first step you need to take is to go to the Google Play Store using my link in the description or comment section, or you can search on the Google Play Store directly. Install the Bamboo app. Once you have installed the application, the next step is to sign in or sign up. You can sign up if you don't have an account. After you have signed up, you now need to do your KYC, which basically involves you submitting your BVN, international passport or driver's license. Once you have done your KYC, you can now start talking about funding your Bamboo account and then investing in the US stock market. Bamboo is a very easy to understand application. Here on the homepage of Bamboo, you have how much you have in your wallet. I have around 18.59, which is what I basically use to invest in the US stock market, $20, and I'm actually down, but I think I'm rising right now. Like, you to have this, my stocks here, my stocks, you have the likes of Facebook and Tesla. These are stocks I have in my portfolio. And then you have your watch list. These are basically stocks you're looking out for. As you can see in my watch list, I have Apple. And then you have your learn. For those who don't understand how to invest, you can make use of the learn to understand the concept of investing. And then you have your help, where you can get stuck with their customer service if you have any problem. And then you have my profile, where you can basically get to fund your Bamboo account. Like I said earlier, I have made an in-depth video on how to make use of Bamboo. You can click in the card above to go watch that video. Believe you me, you will enjoy it and thank me. Another application you can use to fight against inflation is called Chaka. Chaka is an app that you can use to invest in the US and Chinese stock market, and as well invest in dividend paying stocks. Chaka was founded in the year 2019 by Tosin Osubidu, and its mission is to help Nigerians invest in global assets. Getting started with Chaka is very simple. You basically go to the Google Play Store and search for Chaka. You see an app that has a blue background on its logo. Download the application, and then the next step is to sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up. Basically, you need to make use of your email address and a password. And once you have signed up, just like Trove and Bamboo, you need to also do your KYC, which involves you submitting your BVN, driver's license or national identity number. Once you have done your KYC, you can now start investing in the stock market. For beginners, making use of Chaka might be a little bit complicated because there are lots of things going on the application. But believe you me, this is a wonderful application for making use of in terms of investing, and with time you get to understand how the app works and basically start using it to invest. I might actually find it much more better than other apps that I've mentioned in this particular video. The last application in this video that you can use to fight against inflation is called OBX. OBX is just like Binance, is a crypto exchange, but it's not as sophisticated as Binance. For those of you that are beginners when it comes to investing in the crypto market, then you want to make use of OBX. OBX was founded by Ikechukwu Okeke. It is a Nigerian owned company. On OBX, you can find some of the most popular crypto in the world like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Axie Infinity. And why I actually like OBX is that you can actually create a virtual ATM which you can use to make online purchases in crypto, and you can actually get a physical ATM which you can use to actually make purchases physically using your crypto ATM, probably in other countries, because in Nigeria we don't have any crypto physical ATM. Getting started with OBX basically involves you going to the Google Play Store, search for the application OBX, then you download it. Once you have downloaded the application, the next step is to sign in or sign up. I guess you don't have an account, so you have to basically sign up. Once you have signed up, you then need to do your KYC, which involves you submitting some documents, and you also have to do a facial recognition. You have to submit your NEPA bill as well. The whole process of signing up on OBX is a little bit hectic, I guess, because they're a Nigerian company. They are trying to be, a little bit security conscious. But personally, when I tried signing up on the application, I found it difficult, and I'm here to actually verify my identity on the app. But it's a nice app, and I encourage you to actually test it out if you cannot make use of Binance in terms of trading in the crypto markets. Personally, I have tried using all of these apps mentioned in this video. The one I make use of most often is called Binance. I look forward to making use of Comx and Wbroker. Inflation is always going to happen, but we need to look for different strategies to hedge against it. If you enjoyed this video, I have another video where I walk you through how to invest in the US stock market. You will find that video helpful. Do not forget to smash the like button so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to more people. Also guys, hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Share this video and see you on the next one. They will know.